How to use a paint shaver. It's really easy to use. It's fast. It's aggressive. It's everything that you need to really get the paint off quickly. Some people will like to use chemicals. Some people want to use this device called the Cobra, an infrared guy, and those things work fine. This works fine too, but it's much faster than those other methods. First, this is the paint shaver, okay? And you see it's got a Makita body on it. This thing I'm touching right there, that is that's just a grinder. And this is an older model. They now have a Hitachi body, you know, and that's not really what the paint shaver actually is. The paint shaver is this contraption here that fits on the bottom of it, and you see it's got these it's got a rotating head, and it's got carbide teeth here that are attached by these screws. So, and what these carbide teeth do is they spin around really fast, and they hover. This face right here hovers on the surface of the wood, and it just sucks that paint right off. And what's important to know is that there's an adjustment on this guy so that you can use it really accurately. The wrong adjustment, you're like tearing into wood. The wrong adjustment, you're not taking off any paint. So there's like a fine tuning thing you have to get at. And let me see, where is that on here? That is, let's see. Look, okay. It's right in, let's see if I get the light on there. Right here, there is an Allen screw. And what that Allen screw does is that adjusts this shroud here up and down in relation to the teeth here, so that you can adjust your cut. And let me show you what it's supposed to look like when you're done, okay? When you've gone through and you've shaved off the paint, all right? There's supposed to be like a really fine film that is left that you have to then sand or scrape off. It just comes right off. It's really nice. This surface has been paint shaved all the way down, right? And you can kind of see the radius tool marks, but you can also see that there is a haze of paint that is left. That's really important. You don't want to go any deeper than that, because then this, it's just really chalky. You can take, you know, a scraper like this, and that will just remove the rest of it really quick. So when you sand it, and then you're ready for prime. But this is what it's supposed to look like when you have paint shaved it. Okay, turn it over. See that? Okay, you got that haze of paint on there. That'll scrape right off.